That means you are trying to fix the Google AdSense error where you are told to you are given an alert that your earnings are at risk and that you need to fix some ad text to avoid severe impact to your revenue. Now, to fix this is very simple. All you need to do is click on Fix Now. When you click on Fix Now, you should be seeing the a pop-up screen showing you the simple steps on how to fix the ads text file error. Now, here on this site, there are two sites that are using AdSense. So first of all, you see a guide here telling us to follow the simple steps if we want to add other networks that are using AdSense for proper capture during the AdSense. Here is the AdSense guide for you to follow up and create the ads text file. So to get started, there is a download button here where you can simply download the AdSense ads.txt file and then simply upload to your site. So let's click on the download link, and immediately we have our ads text downloaded here. So now you can simply do this on your own by also creating the text file on your own. You open a simple text document on your home screen, and then here you type google.com, you add your publisher ID. For this tutorial, we are going to be using our publisher ID from Google AdSense. So for you to see or find the publisher ID, go to Accounts, and when you get to your account settings, you will see your publisher ID right under your personal settings. So let's wait for our ID to come up, and here is the publisher ID. Very good. Now you copy this publisher ID, you copy everything, and then go right here to the text file, and then on the new text editor you can hit here direct ID, and then next you type in capital letter direct, and then you add a code. There is a general code by Google AdSense. I've already done it, and I will also attach a link to this file in case you wish to do it on your own. So I'll copy it and then paste this code here. This code is a general code and is always the same for all Google AdSense publisher accounts. So we hit save, and we save it as a docx file. Yes, we have to save as a docx file. So I've already done this before, so there is no need. So this is my own file. I have it here. So now let's move directly to our domain and add this to our hosting and proceed with the next step. For this video, we are going to be doing this step with a plugin from our WordPress website. For uploading the ad text document to your root in the hosting, you have to check our previous video so that you can understand basically how it's done. So let's get started with doing this from the WordPress plugin site. So we'll come to our dashboard and then go straight to where you have your plugins. So let's go to the plugins. There is a particular plugin that can be used to actually correct the ad text file, Google ad text error. So we'll go to plugins, and we'll search for a new plugin. Let's allow it to load. It's gonna take a little time. So we'll search for plugins. Good. So we'll come here and say Adsense.txt manager. So let's search for it. Good. So search in the WordPress directory, and here we have this plugin. So let's install now. All right, as we install, so activate, and now the plugin is active. So we'll go straight to our settings, and on the settings you will find the ad text file. You can see the ad text file here. So we'll now go straight to click on the ad text, and here now we can now add our the text we downloaded from the AdSense channel where we are having some code and our publisher ID. So we'll go straight and get the code right now. Get the code, we go to our document and we copy everything. Of course, this represents our publisher ID, so you can replace this with your publisher ID. Of course, when you download the actual document, it will contain your publisher ID at this point where I have 0 zeros. So now we'll copy everything and say Ctrl C on our PC, and if you're on a Mac, you can hit Command C, and then we'll go straight to this window and then paste. The moment you paste, you click on the save changes, and once you click on save changes, see it's now saved, and that's all about how to fix this error. And now we can expect the Google AdSense error to be completely cleared within a few 1 or 2 days once Google crawls on your site. So it's exactly 24 hours after I updated that on my host, and I decided to go back and check my AdSense account, and I came here immediately to check, and I logged in. Let me log into my AdSense account to see whether the error is still existing or it has been taken care of after Google crawled through the website. And now I'm going straight to my account, and I'm seeing here my login details into my Google AdSense account. So let me log in immediately to see what's happening. It's taking a bit long. Okay, it's here. All right, and I can see immediately that you can see here that the error is no longer available. The error is no longer there, and that is clearly telling us that the AdText error issue, the Google AdSense error issue has been clearly fixed. And this brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you have really learned a lot from these tutorials, and I wish to upload more. So if you really learned a lot, please kindly subscribe to my channel, as I'll be uploading more useful educative videos for our computing knowledge. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.